today we had our Veterans Day Assembly, and we try to take advantage of every opportunity we have to thank our veterans for their service, for their sacrifice. Like they say, freedom isn't free, and we know that they're with us, and we're grateful that they are. But some of them didn't make it back, and so we need to look back on that and really ponder on the things that we need to be grateful for, which one of them being a freedom because of the brave men and women that are willing to sacrifice for our rights.
I'm so grateful for Ms. Sepulveda. Every year she acknowledges us, and I'm so thankful. And I'm especially grateful to be in the presence of our war vets, and I'm just so humbled, and I'm so grateful to be here today.